Alright guys, so before I show you the transformation, I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Make sure you guys check out my Insta down here. I post a lot of stuff, I talk to everybody, and if you guys ever want to chat about builds or anything, I'm 100% available, especially right now. I just had my surgery on my wrist, so I'm like super bored. Yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy the video. If you like the video guys, make sure you subscribe, it's free, it does me a huge favor, so thanks guys.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear I weighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Best days passes by, and most long for a place that they never find. I'm afraid I wake up when I die, and it is too late. to climb any mountain. Time is of the essence, the blood running through our core. It's best to not feel sorry when it's over. I will be the greatest that you've ever seen before, and I'll stay eternal. My luck's run out. When things don't go to plan, I kinda lose my mind. I hope it's real, this life comes around. Just keep your faith and search for the fountain. Time is of the essence, the blood running through our core. It's best to not feel sorry when it's over. Will be the greatest that you've ever seen before, and I'll stay eternal.
Did you find a way to run from the city of the sun? You could have stayed, it's only over when the day is done. I never knew you was a runner, yeah. I mistook you for a son. It don't matter what we think when it's all over, 'cause this is our last chance to leave it all behind. Raise your voice and raise your power, yeah. This is our last chance to leave it all behind. Raise your voice and raise your power, yeah.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoy the video, and I hope it gives you some ideas on what you guys can do to your Ram for relatively cheap too. It was a budget build the whole way through, and I never really went over the top in stuff in terms of buying and price, but yeah, I mean, I love this truck, guys. It's my absolute favorite. I'm just gonna show you some stuff that I missed. Right now, as you saw, I put spacers on it, but I'm not running spacers anymore. I'm not running fender lights anymore, and I'm not running the tire gate anymore. So I just thought, I love the use of my bed, so I put the tailgate back on. Those fender lights I had, they were super cheap, and they would come on randomly and just drain my battery, so it was really stupid. I didn't really like them in the first place, but that. And also, I had to move my bumpers up since the body left. So you can see bumpers are moved up, and also I have the fender flares back on. I actually have a proper 37 spare now too. I have it on the stock spare rim, so that's perfect. Looks so cool with all the mods I've done. Everything just ties in, and it's just a huge monster on the road. And this is my daily too, guys. I drive it every day except right now, but yeah, I drive it all the time. It's my daily on 37s, and it just is my absolute favorite rig. I've loved this truck since the day I bought it, and now that it's built to where I want it to be, it's just like a dream rig for me. So I'm super excited, guys, for more trips in this thing. There's tons of off-road videos in this, and make sure you guys check those out. And all the stuff I've done is on the channel, guys. So if you want any advice or if you need help, just search it up on my channel. You'll find like everything I've done to this thing. Yeah, guys, tons of more stuff to come. Thank you guys so much for your support. Make sure you guys subscribe. I'm gonna have lots more Ram stuff. So we'll see you guys soon. Thank you. Peace out.
Yeah.